In PMBOK 6th edition Table 4-1 for Project Management Plan and Project Documents. Here are the list of those items. For this video, we will tackle about Project Management Plan. We will not tackle much in details of each project plans, but we will give an overview of each. These are the 18 project management plans mentioned. Number 1, Scope Management Plan. The purpose of a scope management plan is to create project structure by documenting the resources required to achieve the project objectives. Your scope management plan will also reduce the chance of scope creep. A scope management process helps you avoid common problems, including constantly changing requirements, overspending, wasted time, failure to meet deadlines. Number 2, Requirements Management Plan. The Requirements Management Plan is used to document the necessary information required to effectively manage project requirements from definition, through traceability, to delivery. The Requirements Management Plan is created during the planning phase of the project. Number 3, Schedule Management Plan. The Schedule Management Plan defines how the project schedule is managed throughout the project lifecycle. The plan provides guidance and sets expectations for project schedule policies and procedures for planning, developing, managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule. Number 4, Cost Management Plan. A cost management plan is a document that helps you map and control a budget. It enables project managers to estimate their costs, allocate resources to the right areas, and control overall spending. Cost management plans keep all project costs in one place, including direct and indirect costs. Number 5, Quality Management Plan. The Quality Management Plan documents the necessary information required to effectively manage project quality from project planning to delivery. It defines a project's quality policies, procedures, criteria for and areas of application, and roles, responsibilities, and authorities. Number 6, Resource Management Plan. Resource management refers to the efficient, effective use of the various resources associated with a project. A resource management plan accounts for all of the resources, humans, workspaces, tools, and equipment you require on a project and guides how they will be categorized, allocated, managed, and released. Number 7, Communication Management Plan. A communications management plan can organize and document the process, types, and expectations of communications. It provides the following: the stakeholder communications requirements in order to communicate the appropriate information as demanded by the stakeholders. Information on what is to be communicated. Number 8, Risk Management Plan. The Risk Management Plan is the final document containing all the factors in risk management, risk register, analysis, tolerance, and mitigation actions. A comprehensive risk management plan template provides the project team with consistent processes and beneficial tools to ensure a successful project. Number 9, Procurement Management Plan. A procurement management plan is a plan that defines requirements for a particular project and lays down the steps required to get into the final contract. Here, the specific project means the process required to purchase or acquire the products or services the organization deals in. Number 10, Stakeholder Engagement Plan. The Stakeholder Engagement Plan allows the project manager to devise a systematic approach to ensure expectations, decisions, risk or issues in project progress information is delivered to the right person at the right time with the most efficient and effective level of information. Number 11, Change Management Plan. A change management plan is a process a business follows to implement changes across the organization. Change management plans are typically used for significant or complex organizational changes that require a more strategic approach because of their impact on someone's job. Number 12, Configuration Management Plan. Configuration management, CM, is the ongoing process of identifying and managing changes to deliverables and other work products. The Configuration Management Plan, CM plan, is developed to define, document, control, implement, account for, and audit changes to the various components of this project. The major change between configuration and change management is that configuration management focuses on managing the configurable items and the state of the system, while change management focuses on managing the changes that affect the configurable items and the system. Number 13, Scope Baseline. Yes, baseline is considered as project plan as well. What is a scope baseline? A scope baseline is an approved version of your project scope, which is documented in a scope statement, work breakdown structure, WBS, and WBS dictionary. The scope baseline is used as a reference to monitor project progress and compare actual versus planned results. Number 14, Schedule baseline. The schedule baseline is used to measure and monitor the performance of a project. The delivered work at a point in time or over a period of time is compared against the baseline plan work at that time. In addition to a baseline, a project should develop a schedule management plan. Number 15, Cost baseline. A cost baseline is the budget that has been approved for the project, broken down into a list of salaries, materials, equipment, and more. It's the sum of the cost estimates for all the tasks on your project schedule. Number 16, Performance measurement baseline. The baseline cost that encompasses all contractor project work packages and planning packages, derived from summing all the costs from the work breakdown structure. Undistributed management reserve, contingency, profit, fee, and DOE direct costs are not part of the performance measurement baseline. The PMB is the benchmark used within EVM systems to monitor project and contract execution performance. Number 17, Project Life Cycle description. The project life cycle includes the steps required for project managers to successfully manage a project from start to finish. There are 5 phases to the project lifecycle, also called the 5 process groups: initiating, planning, executing, monitoring/controlling, and closing. Number 18, Development approach. The method used to create and evolve the product, service, or result during the project lifecycle, such as predictive, iterative, incremental, agile, or a hybrid method. These are the 18 project management plans mentioned in PMBOK 6th edition. We will tackle it one by one thoroughly in the next lectures. Great job! Keep moving forward.